Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you as we dive deep into the world of pomegranates. We'll explore some fascinating facts, uncover the numerous health benefits, and whip up some mouth-watering recipes that'll have you falling in love with this vibrant fruit. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's kick things off with some intriguing pomegranate facts. Pomegranates have been cultivated for over 4,000 years and are often referred to as the jewels of winter. Each pomegranate contains hundreds of edible seeds called arils, surrounded by juicy pulp. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, particularly punicologens and anthocyanins, which help fight free radicals in the body. Did you know that the name pomegranate derives from the Latin words pomum, apple, and granate, a seed? It literally means seeded apple. Pomegranates have cultural significance in many regions. In Greek mythology, they are associated with the story of Persephone and Hades. Now, let's explore the amazing health benefits of pomegranates. Pomegranates may reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranates may inhibit cancer cell growth and prevent certain types of cancer. Pomegranates have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help combat chronic diseases like arthritis. Some research indicates that pomegranates may enhance memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in pomegranates promote radiant, youthful skin and may help with conditions like acne and eczema. And now, the part you've been waiting for. Let's get cooking with pomegranates. Pomegranate arugula salad. Recipe: 2 cups fresh arugula, 1/2 cup pomegranate arils, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup chopped pecans. Dressing: olive oil, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. Pomegranate chicken. Recipe: for boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup pomegranate juice, 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. Pomegranate smoothie. Recipe: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup pomegranate arils, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon honey, ice cubes, optional. There you have it, folks, the incredible world of pomegranates. From fascinating facts to amazing health benefits and delicious recipes. We hope you're as excited about this fruit as we are. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.